the track saw. So this is going to be used for cutting down larger pieces of material. This isn't a huge piece, but you could cut like a half sheet of plywood on this if you needed to. Basically, this is a track that this circular saw will sit in, and it'll help you to cut a straight line. So take the saw off the track. This track lifts up that so that you can then place your material underneath wherever you want to cut it. So I've got 2.5 inches here I want to cut it at. Bring that back down, tight on the material. I'm going to tighten the end of this. Everything should be secure. With this saw, I'm going to leave it unplugged while I set it. We're going to set the depth of the blade so that it cuts through this material but doesn't cut all the way through the table. And as you can see here, there's a guide. You can let this loose and move this up and down. There is 3/4 ply. We're cutting 3/4 ply. If you were cutting 1/2 inch material, you'd want to move that, loosen this and move it up to 1/2 inch. So you got it at 3/4. We're going to tighten that down, and that tells the saw that's the depth of cut. All right, so that's set up. We've got dust collection here, and now I can feel safe plugging this in. You want to make sure that the cord's out of your way. The cord's not up here; it's not going to get cut. And as you move through this, the cord will kind of go with you. So this has a double start system, so you're going to have to hit both of these at the same time. But you can see the track here. We're going to put this on the track. You want to make sure that this blade is not engaged in the material when you start it up. So we can start it back here. Put your glasses on. There's a piece of plastic back here. You really need to be ahead of that. You can feel it kind of jump down. It kind of shows you where to start once you get it on the track. And then turn the machine on. So you're pushing down on this and just kind of guiding this thing forward. That should cut through your material. And then you can loosen this back up. And